welcome back. Today is February 15th, Monday, and on this post I'll be telling about the overall crypto markets very quickly, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the altcoin markets in the short-term future, before diving into Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what exactly is going on in this market since the last time I've spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit of $100, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculation opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance first. Tells me where the money could be trending into, would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. We do have Bitcoin dominance now. No change from yesterday. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action down about 1%, and total altcoin market cap also down about 1%. So this is not as ideal for the altcoin price action as I have seen earlier today, where I did see quite a bit of a wide range of price action going on. Since last night, there was Bitcoin dominance trending upwards. Earlier today, Bitcoin dominance was trending downwards, and now is almost no change. Okay, so on the Bitcoin dominance chart, the daily time frame is still my focus here. I'll be looking for if Bitcoin dominance will continue trending downwards. That's more ideal for the altcoin price action on both the upside and downside, as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance changes course and trends back up. So right now, it does seem like price action is trying to, it's in the middle of getting rejected by the daily 200 MA and the daily 21 MA, or could it be actually continuing downwards? Okay, so this is still my focus here. Now, since the last low we had made, there was bullish divergence comparing this low with this low right here. However, higher lows on the RSI, that is still classic bullish divergence. Let's see if Bitcoin dominance will continue trending downwards from here, which would be better for the altcoins, generally speaking. Bitcoin price action here is still running within these 2 trend lines I had initially estimated. Let's see what Bitcoin price action would actually do. Okay, if Bitcoin price action actually pulls back some more, this could still have an effect on the altcoin markets, as we are seeing right now. The magnitude of that effect would depend on how far up or down Bitcoin dominance is trending. So this is something I would not lose track of either. Let's take a look into Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what exactly has gone on since the last time I've spoken. I'll be checking for the higher time frames here for overbought RSIs or possible bearish divergence scenarios. On the monthly time frame, we are at about 75. So slightly overbought. I'm not too concerned, but still a pullback could still occur. Okay, we are still in overbought territory, so some type of pullback is still not unreasonable here. Weekly time frame, we are at about 82 RSI. Okay, possible bearish divergence scenario here, because we're seeing a dip right now. So if the price action was to make a higher high on the weekly time frame, it does need to beat this past RSI reading of about 89 here from the last high to negate possible bearish divergence. On the 3-day time frame here, we're at an RSI reading of about 81 or 80. Also possible bearish divergence scenario here, okay, because the last high I'll be comparing to, if price action was to actually make a new high here, would be this one, which had an RSI reading of about 86, okay, to negate bearish divergence. Daily time frame, we're RSI reading of about 68 here, so very possible bearish divergence scenario here if the daily time frame here, the price action was to rebound on the daily time frame here and make a new high. The last RSI reading to beat is about 91. Now let's take a look into smaller time frames. I do also want to mention that I had refreshed the Fibonacci retracement levels as well to reflect $1.80 to be the new temporary top, okay, as that is the psychological resistance. Even though we have a very slight wick above $1.80, I think that would be a reasonable top for now. Let's take a look into the smaller time frames here, namely the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's also take a look into the hourly time frame. So, okay, we do have all moving averages on the short term within a possible falling wedge pattern. Okay. However, this 4-hour 21 looks like it could actually be above this top trend line here. Okay, something I'll be looking out for in case it looks like price action has broken out of this falling wedge pattern, but the 4-hour 21 would be above the pattern, still acting as resistance between the breakout points and the measured targets. Now, falling wedge patterns are generally bullish patterns. 68% chance of it breaking upwards, according to Thomas Bukowski and his website, the pattern site. You guys can verify it with your own sources or with that source. Okay, if it actually does break out to the upside, I do have a measured target here. Let's say if it actually breaks out by February 16th, 20 o'clock UTC, this will take into consideration of this fib level being broken as well. Okay. Then I will have a measured target of about $1.90. Okay, if it breaks out by February 16th, 20 o'clock, which takes into consideration of this resistance as well. Then I'll have a measured target of about $1.90, which is a theoretical approximate target only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Now, bullish case scenario here, price action breaks above this top trend line and go towards its measured target. I'll be looking out for the 4-hour 21 MA as of right now and see if that would actually be above the top trend line. So even if it looks like the price action has broken out of this pattern, would there still be any lingering resistances above the pattern? And I'll check that with other time frames as well. Okay, but right now it does seem like the 4-hour 21 is a little above the top trend line. Let's see where it would actually be by the time price action breaks out. Bearish case scenario, price action actually breaks below this bottom trend line here. Then the next level of support from this snapshot right here would possibly be the 6-hour 50. And let's see if that would actually keep this falling wedge pattern intact. If it actually does come up far enough, then it could still be possible that this falling wedge pattern will still be intact. Even if it looks like the price action breaks the bottom trend line a little bit, okay? So let's see how far up this 6-hour 50 MA actually comes up to the pattern and see if it can actually keep the pattern intact, even if it looks like the price action has broken below this falling wedge pattern. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.